In the Elbesee B Floor Frame, you will find legs, feet, tape arms, side arms, a bottom rail, a H section, standard wheel, plugs, bolts, wing nuts, plain washers, and a black bolt. To assemble, firstly take a foot and place the H section the opposite side to the buffers with the ridges parallel to the edge of the foot. It can go in either of the two holes, but the centre hole is recommended for stability. Place the leg through the hole in the H section and foot. Then put a washer on and then followed by a wing nut. Then put the bottom rail through the large hole at the base of the leg. Screw on a standard wheel. After this, fit a plug into the unused hole in both feet. Now to assemble the frame, take a side arm and a tape arm. Make sure that on the tape arms the tape is facing upwards and that the unattached side of the tape is facing inwards of the frame. The pivot on the side arms also needs to be facing down. Then you can connect them by slotting together and then fix in place using a black bolt with a washer on. You can use any of the holes. However, you need to choose the one which is best suited for the size of your canvas. Now screw on a standard wheel onto the side arms. Screw all of the way up of the arm. Then thread on the other tape arm, again remembering the tape facing upwards and the unattached side facing inwards. And follow this by another standard wheel. At this point, you need to connect the frame to the stand. Do this by slotting the pivots into the slots at the top of the leg, making sure that the black bolts are at the top. Line up the holes in the pivot with the hole in the top of the leg. Once you have done that, you can insert the bolt from the outsides going inwards, and then fix on the other side with a washer and a wing nut. As you can see, the frame will now rotate. You may find it easiest to tighten the wing nuts for now though. Now to attach your pattern to the frame, you need to measure the halfway point on the top and the bottom of the frame and mark. Also do the same on your canvas. Then place your canvas onto the frame. Line up the marks to ensure it's square. After that, you need to do a running stitch along the edge of the tape and canvas. This should mean that your canvas is now slightly slack. To tighten, you first adjust the holes at the top of the frame with the black bolt. After this, loosen the bottom standard wheel and pull down the canvas. Once your canvas is taut, you can unscrew the top standard wheels to clamp the tape arm.